Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best protein powder of 2021. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. You don't have to be a regular gym goer to benefit from protein powder. True, it aids in muscle growth, but the appropriate protein powder can do so much more. Protein is a vital macronutrient that supports your immune system, keeps your organs working, and aids in hunger management. With so many choices, we've sorted down the finest protein powders into different categories to help you discover your protein soulmate. Protein powder is just a broken down type of protein. The 3 most popular types are as follows. Protein concentrates. These are made up of 60 to 80% protein, and 20 to 40% fat and carbs. They're made by extracting protein from entire meals with heat, acid, or enzymes. Protein isolates. The procedure is refined considerably, more to remove even more fat and carbohydrates. Protein isolate powders have a protein content of 90 to 95%. Protein hydrolysates. The amino acid linkages are broken down when heat, acid, or enzymes are used to break them down. Protein powders containing protein hydrolysates do this, which allows your body to absorb them more quickly. Supplementing with whey protein hydrolysates, reduced exercise-induced muscle injury symptoms, and increased muscular function recovery, according to a 2017 study. This could aid in muscle growth following exercise. Both whey isolate and concentrate are high-quality proteins that have similar results. According to a 2016 study, those who consumed whey protein isolate and concentrate increased their lean muscle growth and strength. If you're trying to cut carbs and fats, isolation is a better option than concentrating. Many protein powders are a mix of the various types. We used the following criteria to select the top protein powders. Flavors. The spice of life is variety. Protein powders with more than one flavor, that doesn't taste like chalk, are what we're looking for. Nutritional profile. We anticipate these powders to be high in protein, but what additional advantages do they offer? Ingredients. We won't eat it if the ingredient list is as long as a CVS receipt. We're looking for something succinct and to the point. Customer feedback is important. There's a better likelihood you'll be pleased with your purchase and the product if there's a lot of good feedback from customers. Check the link below for product details and price. About 2 or 3 places on the video. Number 5. Ghostway Protein Blend. How do you deal with it? To make your milk taste like you just finished a bowl of cereal, mix it in. You can't go wrong with any of these taste combinations. What could be more delicious than the last swallow of milk from the bottom of your cereal bowl? It satisfies sweet desires without being too sugary, according to many reviewers. This brand uses sunflower protein, which is beneficial to those who are allergic to soy. All of the tastes are soy and gluten-free, with the exception of blueberry toaster pastry, which contains actual toaster pastry. Consider this: the product contains artificial sweeteners, notably sucralose, which may or may not be a problem for you. Despite the fact that it is an FDA-approved non-nutritive sweetener, some persons who are sensitive to artificial sweeteners may develop stomach discomfort if they ingest too much of it. Number 4. Gold Standard 100% Whey. How do you deal with it? The powder should be mixed with cold water, milk, or your favorite beverage, according to the brand's website. These tastes would also be delicious in a smoothie. As the greatest whey protein powder, this gold standard meets our requirements. You're sure to find the protein of your desires among the more than 30 flavors available. It also contains BCAAs, which have been demonstrated to alleviate muscle soreness and exhaustion during exercise. Because it contains both milk and soy, this protein powder is not suitable for people who are allergic to either. Number 3. Ascent Native Fuel Micellar Casein. How do you deal with it? Ascension suggests cooking pudding. All you need is 1 scoop of powder and 8 ounces of milk or milk substitute. Let's unwind and have fun. Next to whey, casein is the second form of protein found in milk. It takes 6 to 8 hours to totally break down, which is slower than whey. This allows for a gradual release of vital amino acids, which can aid recovery as you sleep. Because your body cannot create critical amino acids, they must be added to your diet. This casein protein powder makes the cut since it's free of artificial chemicals and tastes, as well as gluten, soy, and hormones. This powder also contains BCAAs and is certified, by Informed Sport, third-party tested to ensure the absence of banned substances. Considerations: this powder is only available in 3 tastes, but they're all classics. Number 2. Nuzest Clean Lean Protein. How do you deal with it? It'll be easy to enjoy in a glass of your favorite beverage, a smoothie, or baked products thanks to the range of flavors. The highest quality European peas are used to make this plant-based protein. It's also naturally sweetened with the katemfe fruit, which comes from a plant, aka African serendipity berry. It contains thaumatin, a fruit protein, that gives it a sweet flavor without causing a blood sugar surge. The restricted non-GMO ingredients are praised by reviewers, and it is said to be simpler to digest than other whey proteins. Nuzest Clean Lean Protein is an allergen-free protein that naturally contains all 9 essential amino acids and is a rich source of iron. Consider this when purchasing this protein powder. Keep your wallet open and ready. The price is greater, and the larger serving size means you'll go through a lot of protein powder depending on how much you use. Number 1. Vega Protein and Greens. How do you deal with it? Simply combine it with your favorite drink or smoothie. The powder can also be substituted for 1/8 to 1/4 of the flour in a recipe, according to the brand. This powder incorporates greens in addition to being vegan, gluten-free, and available in a variety of flavors. It contains components including spinach, kale, and broccoli powder to help you obtain more iron and vitamin K. These features set it apart from other protein powders, while maintaining excellent flavor. People taking blood-thinning medications, such as warfarin, aka Coumadin, should be cautious because of the additional vitamin K. Vitamin K intake must be regular, according to the Cleveland Clinic, because it can reduce the blood-thinning impact. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.